Stop by and take a look at the 2012 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, CD player, rear window defroster, AM/FM CD player with 6 speakers, electronic stability control, tachometer. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.